The Ozare is a 6.5 meter leisure boat developed for cruising within inland waters such as lakes, city rivers, and canals. While developing the newest member of our fleet, there were several principles that we deemed important to consider. The first principle while developing the Ozare was that we wanted to create a statement piece. We didn't just want to showcase the boundaries of what robotic 3D printing can achieve, but we also wanted to create a visually stunning representation of what the future of leisure boating will look like. The future is also electric, which is why we have decided to commit all of our existing and future boats to run on electrical propulsion systems. Another important aspect to our operations is to produce our boats as a single monocoque shell, made entirely out of a recycled plastic and glass fiber compound that has been specialized for large-scale printing. By printing our boats as a single piece, it allows us to drastically increase the recyclability of our products. This is important to us because it allows us to move closer to our mission of joining the circular economy. With the new Ozare, we wanted to offer a luxurious, comfortable, yet relatively affordable option for the leisure boating market. At 6.5 meters long and 2 meters wide, it offers enough space to comfortably accommodate a group of 8 passengers, making it the perfect vessel to host your friends and family on water. The interior of the boat was designed through a lens for versatile comfort and easy maneuverability. With an asymmetrical seating layout, purposeful stepping surfaces, and spacious walking corridors, our passengers have the freedom to maneuver through the boat easily and get comfortable however the individual prefers. Not only is the Ozare a perfect representative of a sustainable future, but she matches the appealing stylization that the market desires. The Ozare 6.5 is now open for pre-orders. Take your chance to be one of the first to own the most luxurious 3D printed leisure boat currently on market. For more information, visit our website or get in touch with our team.